Is OpenAI's image generator a new era of creativity or an ethical nightmare? Imagine a world where creativity itself is being transformed by artificial intelligence. A world where art, once a sacred domain of human expression, is now being effortlessly generated by machines. Welcome to Humanity After AI. OpenAI's latest image generator, integrated into ChatGPT, is a technological marvel designed to turn words into vivid, breathtaking visuals. From photorealistic portraits to surreal dreamscapes, it can create nearly anything you can describe with an accuracy that feels almost unnatural. This AI isn't just producing images, it's challenging the very notion of creativity, forcing us to reconsider what art truly is. The implications of this technology go far beyond novelty. It represents a seismic shift in how we create, experience, and even value creativity. Imagine describing a futuristic city bathed in neon light or an ancient civilization thriving on an alien planet. Within moments, the AI produces images that look like they were painted by master artists. It's thrilling, but it's also deeply unsettling. Because if a machine can produce art with such precision, what does that mean for human creativity? And what happens when this power becomes so accessible that anyone can generate art indistinguishable from that of real artists? The technology behind OpenAI's image generator is a cutting-edge multimodal model known as GPT-4o, capable of processing both text and images with unprecedented accuracy. This isn't just an improvement, it's a revolution. By understanding complex text prompts and generating visuals from pure imagination, this AI tool has pushed the boundaries of what we thought was possible. And yet, with great power comes even greater controversy. Artists around the world are already raising their voices in protest, claiming that AI-generated art is not only infringing upon their creative domains but outright plagiarizing their unique styles. The most striking example of this backlash emerged when OpenAI's generator began producing images resembling the beloved Studio Ghibli style, prompting outrage from creators who felt their artistic essence was being stolen. It's a terrifying prospect, the idea that technology could simply copy, recreate, and even outshine the works of those who spent years perfecting their craft. Legal experts are scrambling to address the intellectual property issues, but it's like trying to catch smoke with your hands. The technology is out there, and it's evolving faster than the rules meant to contain it. But even more alarming than the legal battles is the philosophical question. What does it mean for something to be truly creative? And if AI can generate art that feels just as human as our own, what happens to our sense of uniqueness? But the ethical and philosophical dilemmas don't end there. As AI continues to advance, the line between human creativity and machine-generated art is becoming dangerously blurred. For some, OpenAI's image generator is a powerful tool, one that artists can harness to enhance their own creativity. They argue that AI can be a collaborator rather than a competitor, a way to expand human imagination beyond its natural limits. But for others, it feels like a direct threat to their livelihoods and even their identity. After all, if AI can produce stunning visuals in seconds that rival the work of skilled artists, what place do human creators have left in a world increasingly dominated by machines? And the stakes are only getting higher. As the technology improves, AI-generated content is rapidly becoming indistinguishable from human-made work. Whether it's realistic paintings, stylized illustrations, or entirely new art forms, the AI can do it all. And it's not just about the art itself, it's about the implications of letting AI take over something that once felt deeply personal and uniquely human. If creativity becomes something that can be automated and reproduced endlessly, then what value does it really have? And if AI-generated art becomes the norm, will we eventually lose the ability to recognize true creativity when we see it? Or worse, will we stop caring altogether about who or what created the art we consume? The real danger lies not just in what AI can do, but in how quickly it's reshaping our perception of creativity itself. OpenAI's image generator is just the latest chapter in a rapidly evolving story. We're witnessing the birth of a new era where creativity is no longer a uniquely human trait, but something that can be replicated, modified, and mass-produced by machines. And as this technology becomes more accessible, the implications only grow more profound. Are we enhancing creativity or eroding its very essence? The debate rages on, with some embracing AI as a powerful tool for inspiration and others condemning it as a force that devalues human artistry. But beyond the legal and ethical battles lies an even deeper question, one that could redefine the way we interact with creativity forever. If AI can create art that moves us, inspires us, and challenges us just like human-made art does, then what does that say about the nature of creativity itself? Perhaps the true test is not whether AI can produce something beautiful, but whether we're willing to accept that beauty even when it comes from a machine. Because if creativity is no longer something exclusively human, then we might have to reconsider what it means to be human at all. And as we continue to push the boundaries of artificial intelligence, one question lingers. Are we on the brink of a new golden age of creativity, or are we opening a door that was never meant to be open? As OpenAI's image generator continues to improve, it's becoming increasingly clear that we're standing at a crossroads. The question isn't just about what AI can create, it's about how it reshapes our relationship with creativity itself. Imagine a future where artists collaborate with AI to produce visuals beyond the limits of human imagination. But also imagine a world where creativity becomes so mechanized that originality becomes a relic of the past. For many, the very act of creating is tied to something deeply personal, a struggle, a vision, a message forged through human experience. If AI can replicate that process without the struggle, then what becomes of the meaning behind the art? And what about authenticity? How will we distinguish between what's real and what's synthetic, especially when the AI's creations feel just as genuine as our own? It's a dilemma we've never faced before. And as AI technology continues to accelerate, our definitions of art, creativity, and even humanity itself may need to be rewritten. The implications of this technology reach far beyond art. It's about redefining how we see ourselves in a world where creativity is no longer solely a human privilege. The question isn't just whether AI can create beautiful things, it's whether we're prepared to accept a world where beauty is crafted by something that doesn't feel, dream, or exist in the way we do. And if we do accept it, then what happens next? The truth is, we may be heading toward a world where creativity is no longer defined by who creates, but by the impact of what's created. As OpenAI's image generator continues to evolve, it's forcing us to confront uncomfortable questions about art, authenticity, and the essence of being human. But maybe that's the point. Maybe this technology isn't just reshaping creativity, it's challenging us to redefine it. The real question is, can we embrace this new reality without losing what makes creativity and humanity itself truly meaningful?